Alright, so a few people have asked for an unboxing video of the Halo 5 Collector's Edition. So here we go. First off, they gave me one of those little cinch bags for Halo 5. And as you can see, the box is pretty massive. So let's see how we're going to tear this thing open. Not sure I can just slide this off. That's fine. There we go. UNSC branded box, as you can see. Let's open it up. Right here's the steel book, which is actually a pretty thick steel book. Inside of it, it's got the code for actual Halo 5. Now with this, you can actually trade this code in for a disc copy if you want, but if you're like me, you don't want to have to put the disc in and all that. You just switch between games whenever you want. It's also got a 14-day trial of Xbox Live. It's got some operation orders for Spartan Locke. Then it's got his official orders. And this is kind of nifty, but I'll have to do it in a different video, but it's one of those metal 3D Guardians. You can see these at a lot of like hobby shops where you get the little metal things like the Millennium Falcon and whatnot, and you got to build it yourself. So I'll post another video of me failing at doing that later. Alright, so let's put all that back. Now, as always with these collector's editions, a lot of foam. Oh, and it looks like the statue's already fully pre-built, so you don't really have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about putting it together or anything like you do with some of the statues. It feels like it's a two-piece statue. Don't want to pull too hard and mess anything up. There we go. I got the Master Chief piece coming out. Oh, something fell. So while we get that, pull that out. Oh, so Spartan Locke's head detaches, but it just slips right back on. It's not a big deal. So as you can see, this is a pretty hefty statue. I would say it's, obviously not as tall as, say, the Titanfall Collector's Edition statue, but unlike the Titanfall one, this one actually feels pretty sturdy. It's constructed by a company called Triforce, and if you read comics at all, you'll see in the back they've always got like the Eskrima sticks for Nightwing. That's the company that made this. This is pretty sturdy. It lines up pretty nicely. It's, as you see, pretty sizable. They move around a little bit, but otherwise I'm pretty happy with the construction for the statue. So yeah, there's the unboxing and everything that comes with it. And as you can see, it's a pretty impressive statue.